Hey guys, it's Sabda here at Valley GMC. Just wanted to show you guys this new 2025 GMC Canyon AT4. We just got some fresh inventories for our Canyon, so I wanted to show you this one that we just got in as well. We have that gorgeous GMC imprint on that tailgate. And let's go ahead and show the interior for you guys. This AT4, of course, is a 5-passenger seating. The interior is a gorgeous obsidian rush perforated leather appointed seats. And the exterior is a summit white color. Personally, I am a huge fan of this. I love those little simple touches of the red, as well as that army style imprints, as you can see by that cup holder. This is just a brief tour for that Canyon AT4. Give us a call or text at 253-737-2011 to learn more or stop by to give it a test drive.